Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel RL2 Speak. Today I am going to tell you how to start learning English from zero. Even if you don't know a single word of English, this video will help you. So if you want to speak confidently, then watch this video till the end. Let's start. First step is start with small words. If you start learning any language, then you should begin with small words. For example, food, market, family, school, etc. This type of word you should learn in the beginning, and don't try 100 words in a single day. Second step is make small sentences. After learning few words, you need to make sentences with them. If you learn the word family, the sentence is my family is very important to me, and the word is friend, then you can make sentences with it. I have many friends. Third step is listen to English every day. Listening is very important. You can listen English podcast, you can watch English YouTube videos, you can watch English movies with subtitle. When you listen to English daily, then your pronunciation will improve, your confidence will improve, and you become familiar with new words. Third step is don't be afraid. Many people understand English, but they are afraid to speak. So don't be afraid of mistakes, because mistakes are not bad. Mistakes help us learn. You can speak English in front of a mirror. You can speak with your friends or family members, and you can record your voice on your phone. Then the last step is make a 20 minutes daily routine. You need to make a routine 20 minutes, like 5 minutes for listening, 5 minutes for new words learning, and 5 minutes for sentence making, and 5 minutes for speak out loud. If you follow this routine up to 30 days, then you can see big improvement. You will be surprised. So friends, if others can speak English and others can learn English, then you can too. Don't afraid of mistakes. Practice every day and be consistent. Don't skip a single day, and start practice from today. So friends, if this video will help you, then like this video and share with friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing. See you in the next video.